Which of the following statements best expresses the main idea of paragraph 1? A. Hiking is a good idea when social distancing is required. B. Getting out in nature is a great and simple way of getting joy during a pandemic. C. It often gets rainy or muddy when out in nature. Or D. Kids usually complain when planning to go hiking. We can see that all of these choices are mentioned in some capacity in the text, whether it's hiking, joy, rain or mud, or complaining. Our task is to figure out which of these choices encapsulates the main idea to the fullest extent. Choices C and D, it often gets rainy or muddy when out in nature and kids usually complain when planning to go hiking, are both only mentioned once and briefly at that. This being the case, we can mark these off. We are left with choices A and B. Hiking is a good idea when social distancing is required, and getting out in nature is a great and simple way of getting joy during a pandemic. Both of these choices are expounded upon in the text, and they're actually connected. Hiking is a good idea when social distancing is required because getting out in nature is a great and simple way of getting joy during a pandemic. Seeing as both of these concepts have the potential to be the main idea, our job now is simply to take a look at the rest of the sentences in the paragraph and see which idea is emphasized more. Even just glancing through our paragraph, we can see that happiness is a recurring theme, from boosting our happiness to life happiness to trifecta of joy to demonstratively happier. All of these show us that this is an important point of the author's to make, and likely the reason for writing the passage in the first place. While it's true that hiking is mentioned as well throughout the text, we can see that the author is only bringing up hiking to show how it can bring joy. Based on this, we can mark B, getting out in nature is a great and simple way of getting joy during a pandemic, as our final answer.